So you or your child's braces are off, and you're ready to start living your post-braces life. But first we need to talk about orthodontic retainers and what to expect after braces come on. So let's get started. So today we're going to be talking all about retainers, but as a reminder, we release braces related videos each week, so make sure to subscribe to our channel for more information about braces and retainers. So almost everyone is eager to be done with braces, but the fact is, orthodontic retainers are just as important as the braces themselves. The only way that your teeth can stay straight is if you use your orthodontic retainers long term. When your braces are removed, teeth can still shift, if not help through the period of adjustment. Orthodontic retainers gently but purposefully remind the teeth to stay straight during the period after braces. So it's advised that nearly all patients who've gone through the time, work, and expense of braces will want to use a fixed or removable retainer after braces. So years ago, orthodontists believed that once teeth were straightened by braces, they would simply stay that way forever. So new science says otherwise. The fact is, your teeth will continue to move and shift for your entire life. This is to be expected. So because teeth naturally shift to the middle and crowd, orthodontic retainers are extremely important to maintain your new corrected smile. So orthodontic retainers can play a role in keeping your gaps closed, keeping your teeth aligned, maintaining your bite correction, but also controlling tongue thrusting, and it helps to avoid any damage that may be caused by grinding of your teeth at night. So what type of orthodontic retainer will you need? Orthodontists tend to decide on the best kind of orthodontic retainer for you or your child before the removal of your braces. So depending on where your teeth started, plus the pressures from your lips and tongue and other factors, one retainer may be better suited for your teeth than another. The orthodontist will know which type of retainer will work best for you. They will advise you on the length you'll need to wear that retainer as well. So there are several different types of retainers. Some orthodontic retainers are invisible or nearly invisible. These are clear plastic retainers, or sometimes called ESSIX retainers. So there are also retainers made out of wires and plastic, and these are called HAWLEY retainers. So both of these retainers are removable. There are times that one of them will work better than the other, but many times they are interchangeable. There are also permanent retainers, or sometimes called fixed retainers. This is basically a small wire that is bonded to the back of your teeth, and this can be placed on either the upper arch or on the lower arch. And these little wires help to maintain the front teeth in their current position. A fixed retainer is sometimes a good option, especially if you or your child started with lots of spaces or had severely misaligned front teeth. A permanent retainer is a good way to ensure that you or your child's teeth remain corrected and you protect your investment. So if you're going to receive a permanent retainer, it's really important that you make a habit out of flossing the retainer every day. If you want to learn how to floss a permanent retainer, I'll link to our video in the description below where we discuss how to floss a permanent retainer. An important part of caring for and maintaining your removable retainer involves cleaning it. If you'd like to learn more about how to clean your removable retainer, I'll also link to our video in the description below that goes over all those steps. So orthodontic retainers are an important part of the complete orthodontic treatment program, and it should be personalized for you or your child. You may be curious how long you have to wear your retainers after braces are removed. Well, I usually like to tell patients that you need to wear your retainer for as long as you want your teeth straight. So this means that you will need to have some type of retainer for life if you want to guarantee you keep your straight and healthy smile. So I hope you found this information helpful about retainers. If you have any questions about retainers, feel free to ask them in the comment section below, and we'll do our best to answer them. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a like. Also, if you'd like to get notified when we release new braces related videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell. Also, if you're living in the Phoenix, Arizona area, you or your child is looking to get started with braces or Invisalign, we'd love to see you for a 100% free consultation. At this consultation appointment, we'll evaluate your teeth and bite and help guide you on the best decision for your smile. Check out our website for more information. Thank you so much for watching. We'll talk to you soon.